Let's see how to blend image on any surface. Import the image that you want to blend on surface. Adjust the size according to your surface. Now go to the Layer panel. Double-click on Image Layer to open Layer Style panel. From Blend If, choose Gray. Drag the slider until the image starts to blend with surface. Hold Alt plus left click to break the points. Once you're satisfied with your result, then hit OK. Here you can see that your image has been blended with the surface. If you're learning something new, then hit the like button and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. You can also follow me on Instagram. The link is in the description box. If you have any question regarding this video, feel free to ask in comment box.